What's going on, everybody? Today we are at the Vdara, gonna do a room tour of the one bedroom loft in loft 56015. Let's check it out. Alrighty, so coming into the loft, coming in to your left, you have a full body mirror, so you can check yourself out before you hit the strip and get some of your Shop TVP merch. But this is your entryway. You actually are in the kitchen, so it's a pretty big loft, so I'll try to get through here as quick as possible. But beside your full body mirror behind this door, you do have a half bathroom. So that's very convenient if you have guests or if you just need a bathroom. So you've got your mirror and a bright light backlit mirror. You have toilet. Across from your half bath, this is a full kitchen, so you have everything you need to fill at home. So straight across you have a microwave, and then below you do have a stove. Coming around the corner there is a Keurig coffee maker, so if you like coffee, that is included. And then this is your sink, and then down below it's just a cabinet. I believe the garbage disposal is under there. You do have a full dishwasher, and then all your utensils and everything you need you can store in these drawers. Housekeeping will bring you your pots and pans. Down here below you do have a mini bar, so if you want to grab some drinks, you can just pull them off the sensor. It'll charge your card at check-in, but I highly doubt any of us will do that. Here you have a full refrigerator, nice Sub-Zero refrigerator, and in here you actually do have like a filtered water dispenser, so if you want water, just press that, it'll give you some water along with the complimentary bottles there. Then down here below you have a deep freezer, so you've got some ice over there and plenty of space if you want to freeze things. It's a full refrigerator, very nice. Across from your refrigerator you have a washer and dryer, so if you need to wash or dry some things while you are in town, you've got a full washer and dryer to go, especially during pool party season. That'll probably come in clutch. Head into the dining room and living room. So over here past your kitchen you do have a dining room table for 4. Over there you do have your ice bucket and cups. And then with the cleaning policy, they just give you a notice here pretty much on the updates. And then in here you have face mask, hand sanitizer, all that good stuff. Another mirror above as well. Headed over into your living room. As you see, you've got a nice spacious living room. So right here you do have a table in the middle. To the right, this is a couch as well as a pull-out bed. So if you have extra guests, you do have an extra bed for them. And then you have some chairs here as well. This is on the 56th floor, which is the highest floor at the hotel. So you get beautiful views of the strip and off the strip. So as you can see, that's Allegiant Stadium over there, T-Mobile Arena, so forth and so on. So over here to our entertainment space. So as you see, you do have a wall-mounted flat screen TV, very nice size TV. Over here is your little business desk space, so if you're in town needing to do some work, you have a desk to do some work. And then that is an Ethernet cable if you want to hardline your internet. Down below is the connectivity panel, so if you have some USB devices or other media devices. Or if you need storage, it won't be an issue at all in this loft. And before we make our way upstairs to get to the second level, you do have a panel for your drapes and shears, if I can get in focus. But yeah, so you control both the shears and blackouts, which I'll show you momentarily as we go upstairs to the bedroom level. Really nice main level. So let's see what's upstairs. Now these are so that's your upper level drapes and shears, and then down there are your lower level. So if you notice on the panel you'll have 2, so you can control either the top, bottom, or both. So this is your bedroom area. Nice king size bed. Next to your bed you do have a tablet. So if you want to purchase anything around the hotel, you can do that. In-room dining, cool pool cabanas, all that good stuff. Up here you have another connectivity panel as well with another wall-mounted flat screen TV. This is your bathroom, your main master bathroom. So you have a sliding door for your privacy. And this is the bathroom. So you walk straight into his and her sinks. Very, very nice. And there are supposed to be lights around that mirror. So in case you're wondering, when you walk in here, is your switch for everything. But if you notice, when you press the bottom one and then you hit the top one, it flickers a little, so it looks like the light might be out. But there are backlit lights. It is a backlit mirror. On this side of the bathroom, coming around, this is your closet. So you do have a nice closet space. You have your in-room safe. So if you need to lock up your valuables, you have a space to do so. Luggage rack down below, ironing board, and then extra linens in case you have extra guests. Now there's no water closet in here, but this is your toilet, so you do have an isolated toilet area. And then your views, very, very nice. As you can see, you're at the top of the hotel. Over there, you can see the top of the Cosmopolitan. You can see further down the strip, nice view of the valley, and then some of the parts of the strip on the other side. And then to wrap this up, this is your soaking tub. So you have a very nice size soaking tub here with all of your towels and good stuff there. Again, the views continue to the other side. And then here you have your walk-in shower. So nice walk-in shower. You do have a bench and clean tiling going up to the shower head. So very nice bathroom, very nice loft. If you want to get your fancy on, this would be a real good room to get. And that's gonna do it for this video. See if I cannot fall going down these stairs. If you all enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button. Subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching.